What could be more professional than having a professional signature underneath your message when you're sending or responding to someone's email, right? Hey guys, welcome back to my Project Management Sandbox. My name is Chris, I'm a PMP Certified Project Manager, and here on my channel we talk about professional development, career in tech, and managing projects. In this episode, I would like to touch base on how to create a professional signature for free. Yeah, you heard me right. I know that creating professional signature could be really costly, specifically when it comes to creating some certain design for highlighting your brand. So in this episode, we will create a professional signature for Gmail, including your photo and including social media profiles. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. By the way, this is going to be a tutorial, so make sure to take your notepad and I'm going to share my screen right away. So guys, this is a quick and simple way to create a professional signature for your Gmail without any extra expenses. So first thing that you need to do is to create a separate Google Doc where you're going to play with the signature and determine how actually should it look like. What is more, from the Google Doc, you can copy some of the fonts, just so that you know in advance. There are limits in Gmail that will allow you to set the professional signature just in a specific way. So what you would need to do is to create a professional signature in under 10,000 symbols, and the idea here is that all the links that you're going to include in your professional signature are also going to be counted as symbols. And along with that, there are some constraints in fonts, so you are able to check the fonts that are allowed by Gmail in their official website, but just to let you know in advance, not all the fonts are going to be supported there. So let's create our signature template. To begin with, I would want the signature to be in two columns. So it's not gonna be just a couple of lines of what I'm gonna place there, but something more sophisticated with an image and maybe some specific links. So first thing that I'm going to do is to create a table. At this point, I felt that 2 columns would be enough, but if I would need more columns just for some reason, you can always add them moving forward. So, in the left side column, I would want to include my image so that everybody who receives my email will instantly see who's Kristina and how does she look like. On the right column, I'm going to write my name and I will set a font here. Let it be Veranda. Right. Also, I felt this should be bigger. Something like this. And you know what? I have changed my mind. I just wanted to pick Roboto Mono. I feel this one is more appropriate to my style and to my branding concept in general. What I'm going to include next is my title. I'm a project manager and I'm PMP certified. The second line would be a little smaller than the previous one, just like that. So what could be done next? I would want to include some contact information here as well. So first, this could be my email. It's gonna be my website, potentially. And also I would want to include my social network accounts. So at this particular situation, I'm gonna use YouTube. It's huge. Let it be smaller. And I would include LinkedIn as well. Just like this. Okay. Let's make space between them. Okay. So here what I would want to do is to include the links specifically to those channels that I have allocated. So first goes LinkedIn. Link here. Okay. Next is my YouTube channel. Right. Here we are. What I would probably also do, I will move those elements right under my picture. Here and there. And I will align to center like this. To me, it looks like it is more consistent and it is more accurate rather than having everything in a single column. So else, I definitely do not want those columns, those table borders to be present on my signature, right? So this is how I expect the signature is going to look like when I include it into my email. So now it's time to drop it directly to my mailbox. Also, I would prefer to make it a little smaller. Okay, just like this. Okay, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna select everything here. I'm gonna copy what I have selected, and I'm gonna go to my mailbox and click the little gear on the top right corner. Then I need to select all settings, okay, and scroll down until you see the signature section. I'm creating a new one right here. And the rest what I need to do is to pass what I have copied in this little box next to my signature title. One of the important things to be done is to select what signature should be present on your emails. So I'm going to select just the one that we have created. And don't forget to save everything. Here we go. So let's check. Ta-da! Here it comes. Here is my signature. All the information that I have included in, links to my email, to my website, and also here are the links to my social channels that I've decided to include in my professional signature. Guys, thanks for watching till the end. I really hope it was helpful, and let me know in comments if there are any more professional tools or techniques that you would want to learn as a tutorials within project management. I hope you will give this video a like, as this will help more people to find out how to create professional signature for their Gmail accounts. Thanks for watching. Cheers!